All right, we're going to be talking about how to read a histogram. So how to read a histogram. It's not very difficult if you already know how to read a bar graph. It is very, very similar. The big difference are the ranges that we're going to be talking about. So in order to read a histogram, there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. Number one is the frequency is talking about how many people were surveyed. Okay, so this is really how many people were surveyed or asked. In this case, we want to go ahead and look at bar number one. So bar number one right here. Or let's call it, let's just say 0 to 9, this frequency here. Or I'm sorry, the range or the interval of 0 to 9. In this case, we can see that 3 people answered 0 to 9. And then if we look here at the second frequency, 10 to 19, we can see that 1 person said that they watched TikTok 10 to 19 times per day. If you look here at the third one for the 20 to 29 interval or range, we can see that 4 people said they watch TikTok 20 to 29 times per day. And 30 to 39 times per day. So how many people watch TikTok 30 to 39 times per day? This would be 2 people. So that is how you read the frequency or how many people took the survey and answered. If you are looking for the total amount surveyed, what you need to do is take all of these numbers, 3, 1, 4, and 2, and what we need to do with these is we need to add them up. So we're going to be adding them up. So go ahead and do that very quickly. That would be 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So there were 10 people surveyed. 10 people surveyed. So that is how you find the total. Another question might ask about the intervals. So I'm going to write that word, interval, or sometimes we call it range. It's the same thing. So somebody may ask a question about an interval or range. For instance, they may ask, how many people watch 20 to 29 TikToks per day? So we would go to 20 to 29. And we would determine that would be 4 people. So our answer would be 4 people. So that's how you read an interval. Another item they may ask is about frequency. So frequency is always on the left-hand side, which is here, okay? So basically they're asking how many people. So for instance, they may ask a question, something such as how many TikToks do 4 people watch? No, I don't like that question. Let's try that again. We'll say something looking at the frequency, a frequency of 4. How many TikToks do those people watch? So we look at the frequency of 4, which is here, and we look to see, oh, they watch 20 to 29 TikToks per day. So there's 3 basic parts of the graph people ask about. The total, the interval or ranges, which are here, or the frequency, which is here. Those are the 3 main questions you will always get about a histogram.